Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer, and if there's one thing that I really hate in cars these days, it's a touch screen. I really hate how controls, especially more and more of them these days, are getting integrated into touch screens, and I actually like being able to use physical controls, like knobs and buttons and switches and all of that, which is one of the reasons why I like Serenity so much. So Serenity is a 2013 Subaru BRZ, and Subaru put one of the most horrible touchscreens in this car. And so I was like, did they ever have like a regular radio head unit that had like actual buttons and all? And the Subaru didn't, on both the limited and the premium trim level. But its sister car, the Scion FRS, did. And apparently it's a plug-and-play kind of deal. So I grabbed this Scion FRS radio off of eBay, and it supposedly works. And so we're going to go ahead and install it and see how it goes. So for this, you need a trim removal tool, and you'll also need a 10mm socket. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is remove the trim from around the touchscreen radio. So there's a couple of places that there might be a gap that I can slide the trim removal tool underneath and just kind of pop it out. You don't want to bust the clips, so be careful when you're doing this. And just kind of work your way around the bezel. There we go. And here you can see the different clips. There's 2 on the bottom and 2 up there. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove the bolts off of the bracket. There's 2 up here, and then there's 2 lower ones down here that you'll need your 10mm socket for. Now with the BRZ, it actually has satellite navigation. Of course, the non-touchscreen version from the FRS doesn't. So there's a lot of different cables in here. I'm just going to go ahead and unplug all of them, and we'll see how it goes. So you can see with the BRZ there are like a billion different things on the back compared to the Scion one, which has considerably fewer. So a lot of these wires that came out, they won't be reused, but oh well. As you can also see, my Scion one did not come with the brackets on the side. So what I'm going to do is remove the brackets from the original head unit and put them on here. They should be the same. So all you need is just remove all of the Phillips head screws. And now to install them on the Scion. All right, now we're going to go ahead and hook up the wires and try to figure out which ones go where. There is a green cable, which I believe is for the satellite navigation system, which I guess we'll just leave them down. There's another one on the other side too. There is one more cable that doesn't fit into any of the Scion inputs, so hopefully it's not a critical one. Maybe it's related to the navigation and satellite as well, but I guess we'll see. So I'm just going to go ahead and slide it in and bolt in the 10mm bolts. Alright, so I am not going to put the trim piece back on because I want to make sure it works. So I'm just going to go ahead and fire her up and see how it goes. Seems to be working. Let me find a station that works.
That's a pretty big deal this time of year.
Looks like it has Bluetooth as well, so I'll connect my phone later. Let's go ahead and delete some phones. I have no idea who Liz and Pat are, but sorry Liz and Pat, I can't use my radio anymore. But it does look like Bluetooth will work, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the trim piece back on. All in all, pretty successful. I'm pretty happy with how that went. That was actually probably one of the easiest things I've done in a long time on a car. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more automotive shenaniganry with all of my vehicles. And also, if you'd like to, you can help fuel future content for the Gearhead Girl by clicking on the Buy Me a Coffee link down in the description below. And that way you can get early access to some videos as well as some behind the scenes kind of stuff. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.